Hello, all my handsome and beautiful friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine and doing well. And I have came with another new video for you. And I hope this video will be going to very important for the all. And this is the part 1. And this video is basic knowledge for civil engineers. And I hope this video is very important for the engineers who is preparing for the interview. So these all points are very important for the point of interview for all the engineers. So without any delaying, let's start the topic. These all topics are very important for the all experience and especially for the engineers who is working on the construction site. So start it at the number 1. The weight of one bag cement is 50 kg. The one bag cement is gross weight is 50 kg. And volume of one bag cement is 0.035 meter cube. As you know that the one bag cement is 50 kg and density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. So as you can calculate this, the density is equal to mass by volume, and we required volume, so mass by density, and we know that the one bag cement is 50 kg, so 50 and density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube and like kg and kg per meter cube. So after calculating this, cancel kg by kg, and after calculating this you will get 0.035 meter cube. This is in the divide. After calculating this, it will be meter cube. So this value is the volume of one bag cement is 0.035 meter cube. So here is written 0.035 meter cube. And number 3, the density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. This is very important point for the interview. And number 4, grade of cement. The grade of cement, the cement is divided into 3 category: 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade. The mostly used in the construction site is 43 grade. Mostly, as you can see on the site, we use 43 grade and 33 grade. 33 grade cement is mostly used in the PCC member, like and the structure which is unload bearing. And the 53 grade cement is used for the multi-story building. In the multi-story building mostly required rich concrete. So in the multi-story building we use 53 grade, but in the generally we use like 4-story building, 5-story building, we mostly use 43 grade cement. As you can see the grade of cement: 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade written on the bag of cement. And number 5, the minimum thickness of slab. The minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. Here, this is the slab, and this is the slab, and its thickness should not be less than 125 mm. Okay, and number 6, DPC. DPC means damp proof course. Damp proof course is provided uh, in the building, and this is provided because of its stops the seepage of moisture from the ground level. And number 7, the minimum thickness of DPC. The DPC thickness should be minimum 250 mm. Okay, and number 8, the slope of a stair should be between 25 degree to 40 degree. Here you can see this is the slope, and this slope should not be less than 25 degree and should not be more than 40 degree. So this is the slope of a stair, and it should be between 25 degree to 40 degree. And number 9, the grade of concrete used in slab, beam, column and footing should not be less than M20. And as we know that the slab, beam, column and footing is very important member for the building, and this is required rich concrete. So if we use less than M20 grade of concrete, this will be, there is the chances of danger. So in the slab, beam, column and footing we use minimum M20 grade of concrete, and you can use more than M25, M30, M35, but we cannot use the concrete less than M20 in the slab, beam, column and footing. Now, number 10, the ratio of M20. Here you can see the ratio of M20 is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, where 1 is part of cement. In this ratio, 1 is the part of cement and 1.5 is part of sand, and 3 is part of aggregate. And we know that the cement is used for the binding of materials, and sand is used for the fill up the uh, a small portion, and aggregates gives the strength in the concrete. Now number 11, dimension of brick according to NS means Nepal standard. According to Nepal standards, the dimension of brick is 230 mm cross 115 mm cross 57 mm. But according to Indian standard, here you can see in the number 13, according to Indian standard, the dimension of brick is given 190 mm cross 90 mm cross 90 mm. uh, so this is the difference between according to NS and IS. NS means Nepal standard and IS means Indian standard. And this is also very important for the interview. Interviewer can ask the dimension of brick according to Nepal standard and Indian standard. So now number 12. In the number 12, number of bricks required in 1 meter cube. As we know that according to Nepal, the size of brick is different than the Indian standard, and according to Nepal standard, and we know that the brick is made in two process: handmade made and machine made. Number A, handmade bricks. is 560 knots per meter cube. It means in 1 meter cube, according to Nepal standard, handmade brick requires 560 knots. But number B, machine made brick. Machine made brick requires 530 knots per meter cube. Means in 1 meter cube we required machine made brick is 530 knots according to Nepal standard. But in number 2, according to Indian standard, handmade bricks required 530 knots per meter cube, and machine made brick is required 500 knots per meter cube. And this is also very important from the point of interview. And number 14, minimum number of rebar in rectangular column is 4 knots. In a rectangular column, minimum we required 4 number of rebar. Here you can see, suppose this is our rectangular column, and minimum required 1, 2, 3, 4 number of rebar. You can use more than 4 numbers, but we cannot use less than 4 numbers in a rectangular column. If you use less than 4 number of rebar in a rectangular column, this will be very weak and it cannot resist the load because all of the dead load of building is transferred through the column. So, but in number 15, the minimum number of rebar is the circular column is required 6 knots, but in the circular column minimum number of rebar required is 6 knots. So this was the 15 points which we discussed. And if you are like this information and you need more information like this, please let me know in the comment section. I will bring part 2 of basic knowledge for civil engineers. So for today's this is enough, and you want to more videos, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much.